Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your iPad supports cellular and preparing the SIM or eSIM. Open Settings and tap Cellular. This is where activation begins. If you have a physical SIM, insert it now. If not, choose Add eSIM and scan your carrier QR or enter details. Once done, enable cellular data and set your plan. Doing this first avoids wasted steps later, because the iPad must register on the carrier network before you can use data. Or next, configure how your iPad uses the cellular connection and why it matters. In Settings, right arrow Cellular, choose which plan is primary for data and voice. This matters if you use dual plans. Then enable 5G or LTE to match speed and battery preferences. Choose data mode for higher performance or data savings. Once configured, control which apps can use cellular so you avoid surprise usage. These detailed choices balance speed, cost, and battery life, so adjust according to your priorities. Finish by verifying the connection and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Check signal bars and confirm cellular data is on. Open Safari or make a FaceTime call to test. If activation stalls, toggle airplane mode, restart the iPad, or remove and reinsert the SIM. If there's still no service, contact your carrier with the iPad's IXID or IMEI so they can provision the line. This solves most issues because carriers often need to complete activation on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.